Rose Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious dish, one of my favorite. It's fish fried rice, okay? So first I put some butter, then I'm gonna add my seasoning, onions, scallion, then your garlic. Saute a little bit. Then I'm gonna have my ketchup. Then my fish, which are already fried and picked, okay? So I'm just gonna add it to seasoning. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my green peas. Wow, this smells delicious. Then I'm gonna add my rice. This is brown rice, so you can use any rice of your choice. We're gonna add a little Maggi. And we're gonna have, this is our soy sauce. We're gonna stir. So we're going to allow it to sit for a little while, maybe about 2 minutes. And as I said, you can maybe add a little extra ketchup, or if you have like duck sauce, you can add to the dish. Okay. Let's give it another stir. Yes, so this is our fish fried rice. So we're going to have a taste. Okay, so this is the dish, our delicious fish fried rice. So let me have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. Very delicious and nutritious. Okay, so try it at home with your family and I'm sure they'll enjoy it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel Pet's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your